Hello, my name is Edinson Lynn Gonzalez Laguna, and today I will be developing the task for phrase for improve your listening and speaking skills. Resource presentation. In this presentation, we will have the opportunity to learn about it that we need in order to do an effective workshop or different presentation that we need to do and referring to speaking or listening tasks, even if they are face-to-face or online presentation or material. First of all, we are going to start with resource objectives. First, to help the student improve their listening and speaking skill using different tools. Two, to motivate students to use the different tools available for them and use them effectively. 3. To give the student some tips to use when designing, speaking, and listening material. Listening material tips for face-to-face environment. First, go over the new vocabulary beforehand so the students are able to identify the words when they listen to them. 2. Using audio recording cards and different tools so the student can hear whether it is. So then encouraging a presentation if called dialogue. Put into recording so the student have the chance to listen to real people talking about different subjects. And we can use this audio to do number 3. Fill out the black screen based in audio conversation. Question will be for T and splitting the audio into different pieces in the classroom so the student can focus on the session of the audio. The files will be the main things to do in order to create an effective face-to-face material. Listen material tips online. Number 1. Listen to presentation. It could be a video on someone presenting something to a class or to any person in front of him or her. 2. Listen to song. 3. Watching videos. 4. Listening to audio recording. And 5. Using the different types of broadcasts. All of this in a combination will help the student become better, improve their skill, so you need to organize them in the way that the student take the most advantage of the situation. You have to do to slowly and do with effective in the classroom or in the video color conference that your team to. This speaking material is face to face when you're in the classroom. You will to do role playing using presentation, read fragments, or have the children or any student that you have reading some fragment so you can the pronunciation and make the correction needing on the spot. Number 4. Ask about any specific subject. Ask questions set and specific subject so they have something to talk about and you can help them to better when they are trying to talk and express and get the student to the dialogue between the so they can hear or maybe they can the correct and paying attention that they are doing in the class. Okay, in the class, Speaking material D for online purpose. First, pronunciation. Guys, we have a wide variety of game online that you can use in order to help your students to enhance their going in the learn more. To be in the future, to use videos they are reading good for children, so and anyone, and it's time to learn a new language because they can see visual presentation, recording presentation and evaluating. That's reading important. You have to get the children to record themselves for your student and get them to see their mistake. That's really evaluation point in this process. Number four, giving academic presentation or web conference software with the children to create presentation to student the pronunciation to practice and then show in your video call live and on action. Invite some interacting way they getting the pronunciation better and to speak better in singing song. Play a song with some lyrics and the children or your student do the word pronunciation by repetition. And in conclusion, in this process, help the student to improve their skills to do better when they are teased to speak or listen to anything that is around them. It helps the student to stay motivated, to be acting in their learning process, to be always trying to learn more and more. It also helps the student to understand what they are going through and help the student to reach their goals because first they know where they stand and second they know where they want to get, and that's how we get to decide to the better. Okay, science really important because the student in your motivation they will want to do better each time they are in front in you and their classmate and for efforts, but not last this is the real situation that students to better and to reach goals in the future by exposing to real people, talking, read audio and together, speaking about different subjects. Here we have the reference. Thank you so much for your time. I have these video pieces, the requirement of this task. Goodbye.